It was a beautiful, clear day, warming to 60 degrees, when we finally got a crane over the Tensor marketing panel on January 6th, 2024. We've been working and dreaming about this for over a year now, so there wasn't much sleeping last night. January 6th is the Epiphany, also called Three Kings Day, and the traditional Mexican treat is the Rosca de Reyes cake, so we came with two. It took a little over an hour to get the crane configured with counterbalance weights and organize the rigging.
Gotta let him put some tension on it first. Maybe even lift it.
All right, Father God, we ask you to direct your many blessings towards what is going to happen this morning. Thank you. In Jesus' name.
I got ideas the back of the next step. It might be. You go like this. I want
Horses, exactly.
yeah. I was from the 18. I was
There, this is good. Right behind your chair.
You gonna hold it there for it? Yes.
The actual lift went great. We raised the panel a few feet off the ground so we could remove the foamular molds we had used to add more detail to the panel. Then we lowered it again, and we had a major failure. By removing the foamular forms, which are 3 to 6 inches thick, we'd created a cantilevered panel test, which was not in the original plan. I think it's a pretty good guess, being a non-engineer, judging by the crack opening at the top.
Can we just try anyway?
You want to keep going with what you got?
Yeah.
Hey, the piece came off and it
Okay,
didn't
let's
break.
disconnect it then. You're gonna be that way about it.
Medieval beam and brick. Fancy moldings were created by pouring over crown molding. Around the transom opening, we put sand into the spaces between the limestone to see if we could create a recessed mortar line. There were 4 different types of rustication, which we copied from images on the internet. We molded the rustications by cutting the negatives into foamular. It worked, but it was harder to remove than we expected, even though we sprayed it with WD-40. I photographed all the pieces that were on the ground after we unexpectedly disassembled the panel. Obviously, the perspective is wrong. Photoshopping them together gives you an idea of what the 32 feet sticking out of the ground would have looked like. more description in the attached link about what we did to make this. This is actually the beginning of the end of the Bauhaus style of architecture here in America. Tensor Systems using Swole-Crete is going to build America beautiful again.